Hey, so today we are going to be testing paste last copied address functionality, and I'm going to show you how exactly it works. So let's just get started. So first of all, I'm currently on the dashboard of AutoDS. As you can see, I have enabled the extension. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just randomly selected the addresses and to let's just select this one. And then here, as you can see, the export and paste extension icon. And when you click it, as you can see, the copy to Amazon. And by the way, in the settings, you can select the domain, whatever you want. I have currently the account on Amazon.com, so I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so I'm going to click copy to Amazon, and we're going to wait. Right, so and you can see a little bell icon. It says add-in, and added. So let's just go to the Amazon.com and see if it got added or not. So I'm just going to refresh it. As you can see, it added the addresses and it added the product as well. So how paste large corporate address is actually work is uh, it copies the product and its address as well, and it then adds it to the Amazon. This is the product, and here's the address. Similarly, this is the product, and here is the address. So I'm gonna go to the card and you can check out. Sorry. I'm gonna click on change. I'm gonna select shipping to more than one address. Now here you can see the fast paste icon, and when you click it, there you can see what it did is it grabs the product and checks it's the address. Here you can see it selected Michael, and here's the address. As you can see, it selected James Lee, and this is the product. It selected Gordon Manning. So this is how the paste last profit address works. Thank you.